we're gonna be making dirty martini pasta. So let's walk through the ingredients. We've got olive oil, olives, Parmesan, garlic, butter, we've got olive brine, and some lemons, and of course, vodka over there. Let's get started. Woo! Smells amazing. Put our olive brine, a little bit of lemon juice. Whew. You know, I've never been a big martini girl, truth be told, but anyone who ever orders a martini, I'm always very impressed because I think it looks very cool. That's good. All right, we're gonna add in the pasta. We're gonna add in some butter. We're gonna add a little bit of pasta water. A little Gorgonzola, you don't need a ton. All right, we're gonna finish it off with a little bit of Parm. You guys, this looks so good. Okay, let's plate it. Okay. And it's that simple. You could make this and have a party. You could have a pasta and a martini glass party and have all your girlfriends over, have your martinis, have your martini pasta. That was a good time to me. Can I get a refill, please?